Sabi niya 2,000 daw. 750 pesos.
Oh! Shush! Okay.
Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video and also blind test. And now we're with a legit guitar tech and guitarist, and he's from Guitar Pusher.
Yeah.
So I'm at Guitar Pusher right now. This is JB. Says sorry.
Hi, I'm JB. I play guitars for Madden. Oh yeah, I play bass for Madden and I play guitar for Joko Riantazo. And I also do some session works pag may time.
Bro, and actually he fixed up my Fender Strat and also Telecaster. So if you want to have your guitar fixed up, he's the man.
Yeah.
Makati lang siya, so sobrang lapit.
Yes.
And dahil he's a pro musician, we're gonna take a look at in-ear monitors for today. And it's going to be still a blind test. Because what's your experience in audio?
Well, guitars lang pre.
Guitars lang?
Guitars lang.
Walang earphone? No
Sa earphones, ang gamit ko ngayon, Audio-Technica, Marshall, tsaka yung mga, earbuds pag nagja-jogging, yan.
Okay, but do you use any Chinese brands?
Wala.
So the mainstream one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is still a blind test.
Wala nasa mall.
Okay. This is still a blind test because he doesn't know anything about these brands. What we're gonna do is we have 6 brands here, the most popular ones in the channel. He's gonna listen to one track, and he's gonna listen to all of them, and he's gonna guess what is the best sounding. And mamaya also, we're gonna have him guess how much is the price of
Patay.
each earphone.
Oh no.
We have the Zishan T1 for our test rig for today.
Okay to.
So what's your feed? How do you find it?
Linaw nito
Linaw?
Nung una kasi akala ko malabo siya.
Oo.
Kasi hindi yung sa liquid tension na song, medyo midi yung tunog ng kick. Parang tik tik ganun yung sound niya, hindi siya boomy. So nung Mr. Big Dog, yun, okay, so maganda siya.
Okay.
Ayan. Sa preference ko kasi mas gusto ko medyo ma-bass. So medyo kulang siya dun sa aspect na yun. Pero yung highs niya, as in, parang bumubulong sa'yo yung vocalista. Tapos nung nag-backing vocals, parang nandun siya sa likod mo. Parang, parang maganda siya, okay din siya, okay siya.
So nagustuhan mo? Okay,
gusto ko yan,
so this
first,
good
una
first
pa lang
start
yan,
test. So he likes the first one.
Yes, I don't know what that brand is. Parang mas gusto ko yung isa kanina.
The first one?
Oo.
Why?
Parang mas maluwag yung kwarto dito. Dito parang mas masikip sila. Pero dinig pa din naman yung mga yung tunog. Parang nasa-separate mo pa rin yung tunog ng vocals, ng guitars, tsaka nung kick. Ako yun lagi kasi hinahanap yung tunog ng bass tsaka yung kick. So parang kunyari kung nasa stage kayo, masyado kang malapit dun sa drummer. Dito sa earphones na to. Dito isa-isa, parang medyo may distance kami. Tay, mahal to, kasi red. Nasaan na to? Teka.
So, yeah,
So
this is the third one. Oh, by the way, the song that we're listening to is Mr. Big, To Be With You.
This one, in my opinion, lacks clarity naman.
Okay.
Mas hindi ko nararamdaman, mas parang, ewan ko kung mas compressed ba siya, or something. Basta, yun sa dalawang nauna, mas dinig ko yung sipa nung kick nung drummer. Kasi parang very organic nung sound na dinig mo yung tug. Parang ako nasa loob ng studio. Dito parang ako nakikinig sa radyo. Parang ganun siya.
Okay.
Ayun.
Parang may filter, may compression.
Parang ang daming harang. Parang ganun. Ang daming harang.
Okay.
Ganun. Ito parang dikit na dikit kami nung...
So mas pang casual listening to, ganun. Ito pwedeng pang monitor.
Pwede.
Okay. So he didn't like this.
I don't like you. Sorry. Mahal yata to. Oh, no! It's red!
No.
Huwag niyo kaming daanin sa red. Joke lang.
Don't worry. So this is the fourth one. We're down to our last 3. So this is the fourth one.
Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung ini-endorse na dito. Wala pong bayad tong ginagawa ko. Ako pa nga yung binayaran niya kanina. Ay, hindi. Sa guitars po yun. Parang halos kaparehas na rin sila. Pero mas, parang kunyari, ito si 1, ito si 2, ito si 3, tapos ito si 4.
Okay.
Parang ganun, sa ratings.
Why?
Parang kung sa guitar amps, parang itong dalawa, mas tunog solid state, ito mas tube.
Okay.
Parang mas malapit, mas organic yung feel. Parang para lang ako tumutugtog. Tapos ito, katabi ko talaga yung banda. Itong dalawa, parang nakikinig ako sa radyo.
Okay.
Usually, mas pine-prefer namin yung tube sound. Kasi mas nafe-feel namin yung vibration sa stage, ganyan. Than the solid state. Pero ngayon, dun sa isang band ko, recently ko lang din na-appreciate yung solid state sound. Kasi kung ikaw naman yung audience, mas gusto mo na malinis yung tunog ng banda than yung parang ang sarap nung feeling ng tumutugtog. So, ayun, mas na-appreciate ko ngayon solid state.
Okay.
Anyway, so this is more analog sounding and this is more digital sounding.
Okay, nice. That's actually a first in the channel, yung ganung comparison. So,
Wala ka pa yatang gitarista na na-interview.
wala pa.
Oh no! Okay. Wow, gold!
Gold.
Oh no!
Lahat naman sila may may kinang.
This one's better.
What do you mean by better? Better
Oo.
than...
Ito. Mas okay to.
Better than what?
Then, ito na yung bagong number 1.
Number 1!
Oo.
Okay. Why?
Parang may mga ibang nadinig ako dito
Hmm.
na hindi ko nadinig kanina dito. Like, mas malinaw. Parang mas katabi ko talaga yung band. Ganun. So parang, syempre, yun yung hahabulin mo yung parang ka nakikinig ng plaka or nakikinig ng live. Yun, mas nakikinig ka ng live.
Kasi yun yung preference mo sa sound? Yun, alive?
Yung live feel, mas gusto ko yung ganun.
So ayaw mo nung parang nasa studio feel, mga ganun.
Depende. Ngayon ko lang din siya na-appreciate yung studio. So, more on yung preference ko, nandun pa rin sa live. Than yung nakikinig ka lang ng banda sa kwarto, ganun.
So, gusto mo yung banda nasa
Harap mo. Yan.
Okay. And this embodies that.
Medyo. Siyempre, iba pa rin pagkatabi mo sila, yung mga pawis din ako.
Yung amoy.
Ay, amoy, yan. Yung may beer, ayan. Pero ito okay to. I mean, anyways,
Okay.
ito yung...
So, mas ma-detail siya and better...
I like this one.
Separation of instrument.
Yeah.
Mas
It
like
has the
detail.
separation nung kagaya nitong dalawang, yung 1 at 2 ko kanina. Ngayon siya na yung 1. So, 2 at 3 na siya ngayon. 2, 3, 4, 5. Parang gano'n.
The sixth one.
Okay.
So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa sixth, what is your Instagram?
My Instagram is javestagram. Javestagram sa Instagram.
Okay. Hindi tayo
JAYBS Instagram.
Okay. Follow me on Instagram.
Or follow niyo yung Guitar Pusher na Instagram na lang. Mas okay.
Yes.
Okay din siya. Okay din siya. Nandun din yung separation, nandun din yung live feel, ganyan. Pero ito yung mas gusto ko pa rin.
Okay.
So ngayon,
Number 1.
Number 1, 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4,
Okay.
5, 6.
Okay. Got it.
Oh, ito na! I'm sorry!
I'm gonna reveal what he did. So, bago tayo mag-proceed, i-reveal ko sa kanya, let's have him guess kung magkano yung mga pinili niya. So, dun muna tayo sa third one.
3-5?
3.5.
3-5.
Okay.
Si 2, siguro mga 3-8, ganun.
3.8.
3-8.
Okay.
Hindi naman siguro sila magkakalayo ng price, no?
Siya natin.
Ito yung number 1. Siguro mga 5, ganyan. 5, 7, ganun. 5 to 7.
Okay.
I mean, I'd pay 5 to 7 pag
7K per
siya.
this.
Patay!
Sige, reveal na natin. So, actually,
yung iba, hindi na natin ipapresyohan yung tatlo.
yung tatlo lang.
Okay.
Kasi,
Baka magalit sila. Okay.
So, ito, so this is the fourth, di ba? Fourth. Actually, ito, magkano tingin?
Fourth. 2,000?
2,000, okay. So, this is the KZZSN Pro. Sabi niya, 2,000 daw. 750 pesos.
Oh! Shush! Okay. 700, pwede na yan.
So, actually, okay, this is, yung third is the CCA-C10, Sima 3.5. Okay, CCA-C10, 3.5 yung guess. This is around 1,500 pesos.
1.5!
So, not
nice.
bad, not bad.
Sulit.
So actually, this is my number 1 recommendation under $30. So, mga 1.5 pesos, ito yung best for me. So, good choice. Next is the KZZS10 Pro. Okay? So, actually, so this one, sabi mo mga 3.8, no? 3.8. So, this around 1.5, 1.6
Kainis!
So, yeah. Divided by 2, the price, guess. And actually, this is the third recommendation.
Yeah.
Top 3 sa No, in my channel.
Sa'yo?
Top
Wow,
three
okay,
siya.
okay. 2 yan sa akin.
Top 3.
So, see, siya yung master talaga.
So actually, ito, just to be honest with you, sabi mo 5 to 7,000. Number 1 recommendation ko to sa channel ko.
Okay. Wow!
So much
Amazing! Amazing!
Much tayo.
Okay, okay.
So yes, this is may
Una dahil gold siya.
a good build, maganda imaging, big sound stage, enough bass at the bottom, and yung detail retrieval niya, transparent sounding. Just around 3,000 pesos.
Sulit yan.
3,000.
Sulit yan. 3,000? Sulit yan, pre.
Ito yung earphone of the year ko.
Wow!
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
Galing.
So,
Okay.
you have the ears, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well, I play guitars. I only play with guitars. Yun lang. Yan.
So,
Galing.
yeah, TFC T2 guys, sabi nga 7,000.
Solid. So yeah.
So yes.
Earphone of the year. Earphone of the year.
And earphone of the JB.
Hi.
Number one earphone.
Okay siya.
And that is our blind test for today. So make sure you follow Instagram and Guitar Pusher.
Guitarpusher.com.
And
Facebook. And, well, yung personal account ko, pwede nyo rin i-follow. Pero food yan. And visit Guitar Pusher. We are available every Mondays to Saturdays, 1 to 7 p.m. by appointment. Or you can order online yung mga items namin sa Lazada, sa Pedalion, at saka sa Guitar Pusher website. Yan.
Awesome. And hopefully you like this content. If you did, of course, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And we are gonna see you guys in the next video.
Right. Peace.